What's up everyone? Welcome back to heARTwork Creations. In this video, I'll be putting together this cute little 90s vibe with a bold wing, colorful lid, and a 90s style nude lip. And to be starting off, I have everything pretty much ready already. My brows, my face, my lashes. So let's get right into the eyes. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, my Old Faithful. And I'll be using this cream shade for right underneath my brow bone. So I'm just going to apply it right under the brow bone, nowhere else. And then I'll be moving on to my crease color. I'll be using these light brown shades and then just kind of applying a wash into my crease. Nothing too crazy. The focus is going to be on the lid color. And for this, I'm using my Morphe M443 brush and just lightly buffing that color in. And then I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Once my crease color is done, I'll move on to my lid color, which is from the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette in the shade Filter. I'll use my MAC 239 brush to just rub right into the pan in little circular motions so that I pick up a lot of product, and then just use patting motions to really pack on the color on my lid. I like to turn my brush upside down to get really close to my lash line. And then for the rest of my eye, I just pat all the way up to my crease. I don't go any higher, but you just want to make sure that you go high enough to where you can see the color when you open your eye. So just pack on that color. Make sure it is nice and poppin' and even all over. Look at that pigment. And then of course, do the same on the other side, making sure that both sides are even. Once I finished packing on that lid color, I'm going to take my blending brush one more time and just buff out the crease and soften up any harsh lines and make sure it all blends well together. And then I will pop some more of that blue color on the inner corners of my eyes. And then I'll take a clean mascara wand to dust off any fallout powder from my Ardell Individuals. And then move on to my eyeliner. I'll be using Suavecita's brush tip eyeliner pen. I like to start off by drawing a small little line from the outer corner of my eye towards the end of my brow. And then I will drag another line from the center of my eye, connecting with that first little line. And then just use small little strokes to fill in that empty space. Since I'm going for a really bold wing for this look, I'm just going to keep my wing thick towards the outer corner, and I'm not going to connect it all the way to the center of my eye. Boom, look at that wing. I definitely recommend this pen for those of you who have a hard time with wing liner or like using brushes and other methods. This pen really helps make this step easy and quick. So now that my wings are nice and even, I'm going to finish up the eyes with a little bit of shadow right underneath my lash line using my Morphe 169 brush and a little bit of brown eyeshadow. And for mascara, I'm going to be using MAC's InExtreme Dimension Waterproof formula. And for this look, I'm going to apply 2 coats because I want them to look nice and clumpy and just thick. And last but not least, the 90's nude lip combo. I'm going to be starting with Cork Lipliner by MAC, and I'm just going to outline my lips with this. It's a nice dark brown shade. And since I'm going to be creating a gradient, I'm just going to keep that color on the outlines of my lips, slightly blending it. And then take MAC Stripdown Liner, which is about a shade lighter, and apply that right underneath. And kind of blend it in with that shade too. And for the center, I'm going to apply some MAC Honey Love lipstick, and I'll press my lips together a couple times till all the colors are blended together in harmony. And for the last step, I will apply some MAC C-Thru Lipglass right in the center, and then again just dab my lips together until it's nice and blended. I also use my fingers to dab and help with the blending too. And once you take one more drink of your coffee, you want to apply just a little more lip gloss, because why not? And your look is complete. I hope you enjoyed this little 90s vibe video. If you did, let me know down below, please. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.